Welcome to Excellent Mind. This is Rajnikant Gandhi. I am helping you for speaking English fluently. We discuss 5 secrets of speaking English. In these 5 secrets, I tell you, you are able to speak English. I share my best experience with you. How I can learn speaking English. I tell you these all things in these 5 secrets. So be ready and be excited. Number 1 secret is don't run behind grammar rules. Once again, don't run behind grammar rules. Because reading grammar rules, reading notes, reading about grammar notes, remember grammar structure, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I tell you, it doesn't work, and it doesn't help to you in speaking English. Okay, so remember, don't run after grammar rules, because so many traditional classes, they are teach you grammar structure, grammar formats, grammar function, past tense, past perfect, present perfect, but this is not useful for speaking. So what is the secret behind speaking English fluently? I tell you how we speak Gujarati and Hindi. Tell me. We speak Gujarati and Hindi by listening. This is the secret number 1. By listening, we speak naturally, easily, quickly, faster. Gujarati and Hindi. We don't learn grammar rules when we are child. So this is the secret number 1. Listening the language, listening the function of language, it gives you the power of speaking. Because in America, the children don't learn grammar, people don't learn grammar. After that, they are also able to speak English. How this is possible? Because they learn this language by listening their parents, by listening their friends, by listening their colleagues. So what is the problem of not speaking English in India? We are not listening so much English because our teachers, our trainers, all classes teach us grammar rules, grammar structure, function, and they force for remember it. But friends, this is not useful. So I tell you the secret number 1, don't run after grammar rules. Because this is grammar rules are boring us. People are bored from these grammar rules, this structure, subject plus verb plus object. So this is the secret number 1. Don't run after grammar rules. This is not useful. Once again I tell you. And listen more and more easily English on YouTube, on WhatsApp, whatever. Use authentic, easy English which you can understand 95%. Don't worry about 5%. You will learn easily after some time. And repeat it again and again. Listen it carefully. How they speak. What is the pronunciation of words. And if you want, speak it. You can easily learn the grammar. You can easily learn how to speak English, how to talk about past, how to talk about present, how to talk about future, You can learn all the things easily, quickly, faster and automatically. So friends, this is the secret number 1. Don't run after grammar rules. We discuss all these 5 secrets in different 5 sessions. Stay with me, connect with me. I am Rajnikant Gandhi. My cell phone number 9998289.